Hi, today I will show you how add event to your calendar on your Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. First step to do that is opening Settings application, where we look calendar application, where we look for a day when we want to add our event, maybe 29 of February. After that we press this plus icon, and there first we can add title, emoji, which we see in our calendar, and color, which we see also. There we can set when event start and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Location of our event, maybe Warsaw, maybe what you want. There we can add this event to our Gmail group with our family or friends. Now we can set our alert when we get it, maybe 2 days before event at 9 and the day before at 7 at 5. There we can custom it, and we can add our alarm repeat of our event, maybe every month, what you need. We can add notes to that, video conference we can make, and attachment, and we can invite some people. After we set all we need, we press save, and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.